What's good, y'all? This is your boy Antoine Joyner, aka RGB Twon, owner of RoyGBiv products, better known as RGB. The brand is called RoyGBiv. That's the acronym for how we see color. So that's red, orange, yellow, green, blue, indigo, violet. We see in the 2 Chainz, we see in the Pluto, we see in everyone, around the city, wearing the RGB. Starting RGB, like I said, it was a thought that from that point, okay, we're gonna make some of the best products, but in colors that you don't necessarily would think to put together. Clothing to footwear to accessories. I actually graduated with a fashion design degree, so I have a full spectrum of not only just creativity, but just who I am just as a creator in general. I want to show the class, like, I'm not stingy with this. Like, I want to make sure that everybody do this for a purpose. Don't do this just for money. When you say a brand isn't just a company. A brand is yourself. I want to show how to have fun. I want to answer whatever question you have for me as well too, because like I said, I'm not stingy with the knowledge, and I just really want to inspire somebody. I just feel like that's what God put me on this earth to do. I never stop dreaming. Settling is never an option. So it's like, not only do I want to just sell clothes and color, but I want to sell confidence. And confidence is what's brought me this far.